Imagine having the right technology, but it's all disconnected. That's where most AI initiatives fail. Let's see how integration changes everything. Here's how the modern AI data stack actually works, as one powerful ecosystem. It starts with your data, scattered across dozens of systems. Customer records in Salesforce. Transactions in your database. Website behavior in Google Analytics. Fivetran automatically pulls all this data, continuously, reliably, and loads it into Snowflake. No manual processes. No broken pipelines when systems update. Inside Snowflake, data transforms through layers. Raw data becomes clean. Clean data becomes features. Features become insights. All while maintaining complete lineage, you always know where your data came from. Nataero.ai connects directly to these features, building and deploying AI models that predict customer churn, forecast demand, detect fraud, whatever your business needs. Finally, Power BI brings it all together. Real-time dashboards combining business metrics with AI predictions. Executives make strategic decisions. Operations teams take immediate action. All powered by the same integrated platform. The results? Retailers reduce inventory costs by 22%. Manufacturers prevent equipment failures before they happen. Banks detect fraud in real time. Supply chains optimize automatically. This isn't theory. It's the proven architecture behind AI that actually works. One platform. One strategy. Unlimited possibilities. Ready to integrate your AI data strategy? Let's build it together.